Hi, I'm Dr. Jung. I'm the owner of TrustHope Wellness Care. Today, I'd like to demonstrate some adjustment skills to give you an idea what I do for my patients. He's been coming here for about a year for his low back problem, and he got so much better. Of course, I do more than just adjustment, but today, for this video, I like to just demonstrate the adjustment. I've done the acupuncture and some other stuff already, and then I will do more stuff after this. But still, I just wanted to focus on adjustment. And also, another point that I want to make is, I always do pre-adjustments of tissue work. So before I actually do the adjustment, I kind of massage it out to relax the muscle. So patient gets more relaxed. So it's easier for me to adjust. Turn to the side. So I'm lowering the cable so I can adjust the height and get the best position for both the patient and doctor, so we can get the best adjustment. On the other side. Good. Face up. Good. Legs. Wow, that's great. Good, that was perfect. So now I just completed the adjustment. I adjusted his low back, mid back, and the neck. That's pretty much all I do for this patient. Of course, if someone comes here with different reasons, then I do things differently, accordingly. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you.